Abusuafo ene atiefo e memo bibia akwa abashonko so e de abagana politics avenue so ye besre obibia sese afeye no abadwumadi kese we so like share subscribe to the channel no se ne be ya political trending news via echo bia no Ghana politics avenue so adepende so de be bre na bedwafo ene na tiefo abusuafo ene ye call political highway no so no ye nsem bebre ene aso akote in 70b ene se CI no ye afenyo Markins all parliament amanoku nim ye minority leader no atro letter e de akoma ye Supreme Court Chim actually be CI no Supreme Court in sensem no and the pandan sensem na eba no or the akoma ba for B.Bonnie and then call for CI no or rejected the proposal now or actually be say a letter no the abano and who any for source or more serve as a na 7 days time no on for appeal for embra no motion no mundi assembly mano and the bua free pa o free ha enya asem to akrobusia for or ye ready that we no na ho action or parliament or because asem no o man can re and or do Supreme Court abusia for empese be jemo bra boss be mpese be say mumbre bebre akwatia by elections for Bernard asiama moako ono ene de nsem we atudwa ewo TV ebusa for mom yenko ne yenko tie nsem a okafa me da obibia ase
doesn't mean said there is a stay. I just a court no
really on
it. It's whether you have filed an application for stay or not is inconsequential.
So final
because the court and yes as when you be ntimi executive judgment. And yeah, now me they stay, my court file application for stay, and the court has determined it. Supreme Court account, and the lawyers open him. And once I file application for Supreme Court,
on the same
pandai, no. Yeah. I think it's coming on the 16th. I was Supreme Court. Yeah, and last week it was 7 me representing NDC candidate, and Yura Gary Markins representing and Eskumi. And so we've had that yeshia where yasia tewa near bonko na make a say mugezi ne baso da ben no say e baso 16th that was Supreme Court certiorari application now I'm saying really wait there your mamu date I don't say I I'm say by papa ba resetting agenda o ko ya your mamu date every the Supreme Court every be a job near try a date to be fixed
your mamu date
every day ono anim me kan Gary sre ya no se ne course bribi de na nye ya ma date
so na omonim se na
oh wow ka ya ma date o ba kwa na ne besi asi ne ma je ma date and be market where do you call ya man date 16th omo be determined certiorari application. So you see I keep saying look the issue of pandai and yes, sabi, you be a me baby. Yeah, oh, cocoa to be.
Baby.
I did a question, but you know what is even more serious? And I've said it somewhere. Say, you're right. Nindam no trust. Now, baby, or connectro. What has happened?
Tell me.
It was similarity with Akwetiadian. In fact, Gary Nimaku is using the ruling of Akwetia. It was our case. What happened? You're too abandoned, you know. Yeah, fake, and I can say because Supreme Court really was an this year, so ebina yira can. Me say,
that's pandai.
Any baby akwetia de can hom koye sub gazette book no e baako. All results koye fake one. No mo file wo court. De file wo akwetia de mu. Say the elections of in this case pandai no was gazetted on the 6th of January, a day before the swearing in. It is
2025.
2025. And so, without the gazette, won't be file your friend is a petition. That's the law. Now, Omono Trese, Yera NDC, you know, file petition, you know, before the 6th of January, I think 24th to CBB of January of December. By what time Omo Trese Sabrani and Gazette? A year pandai results no. Into omo de sa gazette notification na 6 was no tie ni you. E file wo court.
But ne fake.
Me betchero. Omo file 6 January no say no sa dan no omo e gazette e ye pandai results no. No file sa application. Nti yen NDC ni hu sa de no no so wanye ne checks. E no GD ye say ene na ade enye no redraw petition. This is what happened. You know, we draw petition, you know. And
but when you legal advice,
well, I don't know what happened.
Okay.
But I knew and I'll explain to you. You know, we draw after 6, you know, and I feel I'm say sometime after 6 no call a file another petition and no judgment na be. Now after Omalusu case, Gary Akwako, because they found had a document na akweti ansu mom say akweti om ye 6, and I challenged them because the original Gazette notification had to be proved said they had a fake Gazette notification, and the Supreme Court agreed with me. So the any fake. It afe Gary Akwako fasa Gazette notification as Supreme Court ajatum say na correct and they can say the High Court in Tamale did not have jurisdiction in the case because indeed the Gazette notification for Panda election is no more 6 this document by it's the 24th of December 2024.
But since the
file which is very, very criminal.
And Omako file 24th.
24th in the original. And I presented the 24th in Akweti.
But court where some file 6th.
Records no.
Wow.
And that is so fraudulent. It's also a perjury because in laws, all kokofa is a 2nd degree felony. What the crater be court, na crater no court ni who say ye dubious, ye fake, one wakot na baby about 3 maya. It is a 2nd degree felony, a perjury. In fact, as we speak, because I had the same document, I went to the Ghana Publishing Company when we were doing the Akweti. Almost your money Gazette notification bia a year date on the 6th. Inti question and say Gary any year running them no munya sa 6 date 6 dear no e wo inform the co file what tamalia e gina so e ma yen candidate e withdraw sa Inti if either way, assuming the Supreme Court even decides so be rule ama ye running them, assuming so mu rule manner, the following day the Attorney General can go after you and charge you for perjury. Baby,
another issue.
That is it. Near sentence wa obedi MPBO. And it is clear, and no dear, I can say with all certainty, any prosecution on that matter will succeed because the Supreme Court has ruled on it. Even here, Rennes, crazy. The Supreme Court had ruled on it. Say, that document no by a fake. I have the ruling. Oh, MMC, NDC. That's I say, and then or no Gary Nako fact sad decision, because Gary look, I don't want to. Somebody even asked me, say, why are you not referring the lawyer to the General Legal Counsel? For how?
Because it's criminal.
Document
it's criminal.
It's
criminal.
But that is where we are now. And so for me, we'll say, I don't know what you can say. We'll say, you can say, Supreme Court, and she was a mum. What the Court of Appeals, so Parliament, Juma. Yet, you cry and say, Court natural brain, say, my recognize those MPBO. And our Parliament, natural, said there is a vacancy. Sana is standing on the snake. A speaker, they be declare vacancy. And the vacancy is based on the decision of the High Court of the Republic. We declare. So only case, so who has been can. And your speaker honey can because source no fit speaker. And all you need to do is to go to court now and I say an appellate court. Na kan was a Supreme Court in the Supreme Court dima say sabet as MP. Yeah, there was a then wabani aye adwuma. Enti ene distractions mo chese ni nia ne say me de ya na mehu sa ne ma we nia awam.
Awam ne woman.
Awam e wom ne say budget papa ba asumdwie wo man ni mu ene ma ekoyie bronya yo bia ka sempa fa aban ho. Oh. Chama.
Obia meaning say bronya krampo eba.
Oh say uni how.
Are oko Jehovah Witness.
Me.
Sir.
They need Jehovah Witness.
Oh, okay.
Omo amon to aba no.
But you see, Minya, the truth is that they want to just create
but Panda issue no about some few polling stations.
So let me.
That is the basis, right?
So let me explain.
Okay.
The main basis are courts, they declare election and null and void. The right to be heard. Look, the basic, the first law, the right to be heard. So in this case, how does it arise? similar to akwatia de no yato abawi. There is a presiding officer. Before I ever to but them run electoral commission say on chere be a coalition. On my candidate ni ehun see a coalition.
You be
What trocrata dia basa ha ni ebihia. Then on the day an electoral officer, not even the chairperson of one crime, say confusion BSc baby esese omo ye coalition inti
presiding member next no.
Inti no inti ono akasa a select baby foforo. Omo ko coalition. In the heat of the moment NDC candidate no kura nya awe. Ni ote ya no say coalition wo baby different. Ono ko do baby ya designate ya trust say ha na coalition no be any. Yes, omuko ahase wentimi anko and omu akoyo coalition and omu akocherese. And in the law CI 127 it defining what a coalition center is.
So which means and these agents crying yakoya sign
omuni hompo no
ma sign
India no na and am ran so ne say na omu wo polling stations about 41 e ho asem. But them ran ne say polling station bi ho asem a coalition center ho ne raise o kind 2012 election petition judgment na. The court insisted says asem bi a ya raise wo the point na say ye branch raise wo branch ho say ye coalition center raise wo and san na won sorry akeken court. There should be evidence o raise wo. What deny me say meet me aba coalition center unti me wo 41 ne ho asem am nkoka ne.
Nsem ni be
court na me de beko. Eti e court na court ne so hwe na omu say no. Indeed, adanse ni omu frɛ presiding officer no so be di adanse ye den na osesa coalition center no. Nsem o kan na nto court na so. Did you inform candidate no? Ono o kan TV shows o kan o press conference. Press conference ye dey check coalition center. It is the court found say any amukoye wo hobia no yentimi find adwuma because one more opportunity say wo and some 41 polling stations so your coalition center ho no be raise and na
wa
ho enkaso wa ma ho one friend ho
anyway one man opportunity no decline here
na wo decline nti wa na sade a wo ye bia no say no kase so wo sa 41 ho asema ese court rema no. It in fact na NDC ankasa no mo ayi ne senke yentwa 41 mu. In fact that was the relief e de koi na nko mu na cause de bia onye nsa o twa bibia mu yenkoto bibia afofo sabe se unsuro onya bone a unsuro nti yenkoto
which ebinu so gidi say is not fair.
I don't know I'm saying fair.
Well, maybe one resources and everything so we could have kept to the 41 and deal with it.
The beyond say near court near me ne ya adwen because if you are talking about coalition say you are the right to be heard your election in here. Se court ni ntwa 41 ni mu pe ne enkonko eno ne enkoto ne foforo na I mean yenkoto ni afoforo free and fair. Ya akwati ade si yansi ya ka se ne ma bi akoso a ye ne court ye ne electoral commission ni MPP for nya adwen because you say dey sa ye pe no msesa ne man ba tesano ye coalition center
akwati
yakra no say pinche ba enti ye nia ye science ye mfa Kogo regional police command ya nye coalition ye the Kogo regional police command hod mo chebi ahomache be ya 12 something me ho me sorry ye no na electoral commission pani na frame me say no frame say sa ahomache ye nkosesa ne man fa nkotesa no eti me frame no be ya 4 am no say no frame
that one na ye lawyer
there be na me ye constituency secretary because ni enyanko court I was also the campaign coordinator so osi ye nsesa ne man fa nko tesa no na say aso na aka na NDC na me independent candidate to and say ye candidate on ye independent we bibia ne ase ye ne mpanifo nso ka na ahomache sa ne enkofa boxes ne enye college no that was a day 2 days after me enkosa box mfuni ya nam Robert Scrabish na me da mintimi anopa ye frɛ ye MC Emran crime me ne me candidate ne chairman ye ne general no ehia no ye mo brief ye wo ha de ete so mo akonounce say yewra eneskumina ewi ni aba ye ni ho sana kwanda ide ye na wo koye sa de hefa ne ka sa asemu ye ya ma hobi oso akoye college ewi ni no BT 2000 ewi ase yi sebe onyame nenim ne ye no why at the end of the day nyame fa ye nua no wo de emfenya but the opportunity ba se yen san koto bio no look akwati election way is the freest and what's moment me anka ho asem free and fair pa correct
ye biem
what is obibie na no omutimi ka say bibia anko yi
chema buga na be ka say omo nkrofo no de omo dan me ma guess say o so ti de course wa
Wasino obunya ba bi na ono apa
yeah
mama ba wa bi na won ko he sa ba
so o bu sa meti do bi ka
wahu enne nyame adom ye nyame free and fair ye koto ye obi ahu ne asi
yeah
eti ebi ni say ye free and fair and say you rap ni ndam no kramatis wa kan ba bi say obewi ni election yes akoto bi
but the point is how can they hijack parliament?
No, I mean it's been resolved. Me free ho, but no, you see, na your numbers na ya ni empesi e be ye ni maybe. And some of this we discuss.
I don't think I'm person be ni maybe. Because MPP an come be you.
Ni omo hwe no. Say enye na enkoye news. Ye mo nya asem nka. We have a way of dealing with them. Monty as hwe I've come to understand certain things. Look, at the end of the day, obeye aban bi na wo power. I say ni business. I see a passive budget nancy sorry. Appropriation nancy sorry. Yes, I ain't mean yes can you room ha if you first. On my agenda no. Ye hu. Omo succeed that. Obey the akubebre person cancel. Oh, obey the akusi. E da no omo ankasa. No omo sorry gina ho bi enyina ho afen omo leader. I'm sorry say BCC near B baby so I went say me I demonstration am ade ache it is that be near hwe omo a sabe yes e ka ne oni ntoma nko anko say
da bi e grasa
wan hwe yi a obese na ma not because that no your leader also ka challenge us ne mo ye ewe mu din ye che the 2-2 a ibenya reserve ye 2-1 ye ma 2 na mo 1 ye wi a ibenya reserve. But ebe kwa kwisi sen ni omo hwe no ye mo mu nyanti e abotre ompo mu mpo ye be ye adwuma e ma aban na koso ye be pass appropriation anse akodi bronya ni kasem we nke yasem sabi speaker Bagbin on no ma ruling no watamali ko fa sa krata no kotamali we so wo be ma ko high court na mu ko edede o aha na efo because I had privileges near you will be a member of parliament I want to be nyeni say but I think that it's not fair. Ghana for her. On a speaker aye by writing that letter. And into my parliament in you may be ending. But I'm sure it's been resolved because na kasa because you do baby speaker Pijan Musa no need leadership na kushia. No omako kasa. Nini ane say you by papa any budget papa abano. I see a passe. Na sebi. And near ma touch man na chairman bibi. Look, and yama kosu kruma. And I always say President Mahama 1 year. Mami fa
Fabra.
The first thing, and I always salute him for this is the first time any president will live by the words. Fair. On far more than 60 ministers. Aya ni refinima. Okaye. And ne 189. Bijiri say your colleagues ni bebre. Opi anya na deputy minister bi.
Oh yeah.
But I say I won't do it. And yes, a pressure on
very difficult situation.
Very difficult. Meaning what goes on there. People feel no as some way when one president Akuffo can we or Kopacho. Professor Mills we are also. I don't know Akuffo Addo 125 linear. Man Akuffo nidi. People say this.
Me say NDC penny be free say Kwabra. Unim GM de otisa momu ye de da enuti. Mon kaja ngum say ade anu omi na mo be damage control no. That's so penny me so yere nam go ka kire mamponfo. No mo tie to abana.
Celebrating for this. Unim sir ade a was set chairman trust me. No president can do beyond.
Standard now
set. And for me, I give it to him.
It's high.
Adiana, why you know? Me pai bonne say. And then secondly, me ma yikakra. For the first time, 1 full year, a new government, not a single scandal.
No.
Ye won't be that. A trust appointees now you're careful. Now me bomb pai so mufasa anko ewie. Not a single scandal will be a renouye. I say, yeah, sorry, mom. Why? I feel quite we are not BBS. Minu I say ye shut up
Yeah, Thanksgiving.
Yeah, Thanksgiving. E bin see that. French government, ya wo Akroma 2017, sembe ni anti. Kolebun sem deputy chiefs of staff. And ya sembe 2017. Look, yeah, ene sa you're from the STR, sa kwamnam
Adubwa
Debinya Dubois idea no sa health minister de ye ba nansen. Sa
kwakumanu.
Sa
Dabi.
the STR I'm from say sa company na ye health insurance ade na e ba nansen. Sa company
Okoboy.
Yeah,
Okoboy. Take company no 2017 14 February. Valentine Day STL.
Yeah.
14th. Na in fact, not nipa no kra we owner no a timber merchant. Oni experience biara e was revenue collection sa dey na make.
Yeah.
But eventually these are the things they see in the first year of Akuffo. And for the whole year and for the president and ministers na saka say won ko bia a cabinet meeting president catch them say media
Why don't bet no?
Obaji wani so. To be careful. And nti ama prudent ni wo Akroma ni anim say ye wo Akroma ye te e-levy a ye de ba ye say am fa e-levy am Akroma economy no be crash. Want to be.
Oh.
Argument ye. Nti wo da dwen ho da menua say e-levy be free ye so e ma still economy na easy. Economic management team made up of professors ni ade Bawumia bobo odin. Omo ntimi handle just an kofa e-levy ba. President Mahama said me buy e-levy me ye fio. Ye be survive. Where ye anu yi. And na yeti way we are able to talk to say as a sebe and the inflation and now within 8 months na Ghana at least will be a trajectory. And trust me, this is even the reason why some discuss
abusuafo nyankopon show bibia oje brehwe dwumedi ebedrum pempe so yero bibia se hanom ye Ghana politics avenue so uguso a ohwe dwumedi no like share subscribe to the channel no se na be political trending news bia eko eba bia no Ghana politics avenue so aje pene se ode be bre na betwafo ene the TF4 se na ye wo hwe notification bell no so adoma no boso se na be political trending news bia ide begum bia no mo so maje pene se abusuafo ene TF4 mo so be kan na mo ye dwumedi we abom nyankopon show bibia oje bre hwe dwumedi ebedrum pempe so yero bibia se na ha ene bre mam kwan se me fa mo si Akroma.